Hey guys, this is Sandy from Sandhai Pechu. Hope you guys doing good. So today we're going to analyze some stacks. So this is my because I couldn't able to do a recording video because I was out of station, and please kindly bear with me. So let's go to Nifty first. It's a live market. So today again Nifty, when it comes to intraday timing frame like 15 minutes, see it's a clear like this is a clear trend line was formed, and a huge selling off was happening. And after this trend line, almost like 2 hours the market was in trend line, and after that once it breaks it given a huge fall. So yeah, and let's go to other stocks. SBI cards again. See, it's a day candle. The market is in again channel pattern, so almost we can expect 800 as of now. So after that we can expect again a downfall. So Ruchi Soya, again the market was 1500 to in 1518 rupees to 1500, again 1500 to 740 rupees coming. So by future retail, the bank, it was a double top was formed, and once the double top, the neckline was got broken, so given a huge fall, we can expect around 100 rupees in upcoming days. And Hindustan Unilever, see this stock Hindustan Unilever, again a consolidated market, and after that again it's a huge we can say it's a huge, again they're touching the resistance, again they're touching the major resistance. We can expect a like a profit booking side, and once we can expect another 100 points, 120 50 points as a major resistance to touch the market. And next is Scots. It's a huge very good company when compared to other companies like Ashok and Tata Motors. This company is doing good. Again market is in clear channel. See, market is a kind of like swing pattern, and higher lows and higher highs, and this is a pattern. See, almost the market is in almost the market is in a very good correction. Yeah, very good thing. Again given again huge today, and almost like 50 points given in market today. So again the market is in clear channel pattern. So let's get back to the Asian Paints as last. It's a consolidation market. So last almost like almost past 2 weeks the market is in consolidation. So we can expect around 1600, or if it breaks downside we can expect 1530, or if it breaks high side we can expect 1830. So market we can expect another 130 points in either side. So this side or that side we can expect another 130 points. So that's it for the day, and tomorrow is Bank Nifty Nifty expiry day, and hope you guys have a profitable day. Take care. Bye bye.